Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. In today's review, I got another case for the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. And as you can tell by the packaging, it is from the company Spigen. It is the Tough Armor case here. So as far as being the Tough Armor, I'm really excited about it because Tough Armor is actually the first case from Spigen that I actually ever purchased many years ago. So really stoked to do an unboxing for the iPhone 12 here. So I will be putting an affiliate link down below for Amazon for all of the iPhone 12 models. If you are interested in buying this case, you would be supporting my channel if you did follow those links, because I do earn a little baby kickback from those affiliate links. And I will be putting all the colors as well, because there is red, sky blue, which kind of looks navy, and then a gunmetal gray version as well. Some of them might be out of stock for a week or two, but go ahead and follow those links and check those out. Thank you in advance for doing that. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the box here. So as far as the box goes, very similar to all the Amazon packaging that you'll see with Spigen. Got the Spigen brand in there. You have the logo there, kind of like in that embossed, kind of like ghost shadow coloring there. And then you do have the picture of the phone here. Obviously it looks like it's a 12 Pro. And then it does say it is for the iPhone 6.1 inch 2020. And then it is Tough Armor. On this side, just Spigen. This side, nothing. This side just says the color black. And then here on the back, nothing other than just the normal jargon of slim, form-fitting, yada, yada, yada. So just like all the other Spigen cases, you pull the tab up and you pull the case out. So as far as the case goes, it's going to be inside this plastic here. And just pull that out here. And let's see what we have inside here first. So the paperwork here basically is just talking about how to install the case, and to point out that the kickstand, so one thing important to point out about the kickstand is the kickstand is very flimsy and it can come off, but it's trying to make sure that you understand that if you do accidentally rip the kickstand off, don't worry, it's very easy to pop back into place. So that's kind of what this is all about here. And let's go ahead and go to the main attraction. So here is the case itself. So like I said, I did the black version, but as you can tell, it kind of has a two-tone look to it because this is just two different types of materials, but you got a little bit darker matte black here with more of a lighter matte black here. The kickstand is also the same color as the case, but that's where your Spigen branding is on the back. As you can see, you do have a cutout here completely through for the Apple logo, the camera bump cutout, and inside here is a little bit different look than what I'm used to seeing from Spigen. So it's added this protection in here that has like a little bit of a soft feel to it, almost like a felt, but it's not. But if you've had this case or touched it, you know what I'm talking about. But as you can see, it's a different color there. And then of course you do have the Spigen logo branding inside there. So that's kind of cool. And then you can see the kickstand coming through there. And then as you can see in the sides of the bumpers, you can see that protection in there as well. So it's just added protection. It is military drop grade tested, so that is a positive there. So let's go ahead and grab my iPhone 12 here. So I got the black iPhone 12. I did just recently take off my black honeycomb skin, because yeah, so let's go ahead and pop this bad boy on. And there you have it. So there is the black Tough Armor Spigen case on the black iPhone 12. So as you can see there, you got the Apple logo shining through all nice and neat through there. The camera bump is very nice and generous. Definitely adds enough protection to be able to give you that confidence to put it back down on any type of hard surface and protect those lenses from scratches. As far as the two-tone look goes, I really like that, because obviously the black camera bump on the iPhone 12 is kind of like a matte frosted color. So it's just kind of neat to see all these different shades of black just kind of coming together. And then like I said, with the logo there, it is completely exposed. So when you are holding it, you will feel that kind of indentation there, but you will be getting fingerprints on that Apple logo there. Now, as far as the lip goes on front of the camera, or excuse me, on front of the phone, excuse me, there is a little bit of an added lip there for protection to be able to put it face down and instill that confidence that you're not going to scratch your screen or anything putting it face down on the tabletop. I do have a tempered glass on my phone here, and there is no issues at all with my tempered glass. There's no interference, it's not pushing up against it or anything like that. So that's a big positive check mark there. The sides here, you got your volume up and down button there that is flat. So it's not raised or anything like that. So it's just kind of the seamless look, but it does have plus and minus for the volume buttons. You do have a very generous cutout there for your alert slider. And then here on the bottom, nice cutout there for the lightning port and your speaker grills. And then going to the side here, there is some branding there. So once again, it does say Tough Armor right there on the side. And then you do have the PWR, which stands for power button. And once again, it's a seamless type of just flat flowing with the sides, so it doesn't raise or anything like that. And then of course you see on the sides here, just these like little added extras all around the corners. So you got that going there for you. Now let's go ahead and do the button test here. So I'm going to do the power button and the volume up and down real quick. So let's check those out. So power button first. Now let's go ahead and do the volume up and down. So very, very responsive with those. Now let's go ahead and play with that alert slider there real quick. Very easy, no issues at all with the alert slider. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and get the MagSafe charger out here. And let's slap that on. MagSafe compatible. So no problems at all with being MagSafe compatible. The magnet is strong enough to stay on, but if I move it just a little bit, it will fall off. So if you are a person that wants that MagSafe to stay on the case itself like really strong, it will not do that, but it is strong enough to obviously grab and actually fast charge with the MagSafe charger. And then as far as the kickstand goes, it's pretty easy, and like I said, it's real flimsy, but literally you just lift it up, and as you can see there, I mean, it's got a lot of play. But if you are someone that likes to just, you know, watch stuff on your phone like that. Now, if you saw me trying to do that, I was trying to do it upside down there, but once you have it right, then you are able to watch, you know, videos or in landscape mode basically and all that. And then, like I said, to just put it back in, you just literally pop it back in. And it's nice and snug in there, so it doesn't feel like it's going to come out or anything. Maybe if you dropped it, it might pop it off. But like it does say, if it does, you literally just pop it back in. So pretty easy. And then when you do lift it up, you do have Spigen branding as well there. And then let's see here at the bottom, it says something you want. So yeah. But there you have it, guys. There is the Spigen Tough Armor case for the iPhone 12. In my opinion, this is a damn good case that's going to give you a lot of protection, being military drop tested and military grade materials. It's very slim. It's a very slim profile for being a rugged case. It does look really good as far as being able to have that old school cutout there for the logo, kind of having the flat seamless sides here. So for $14.99, you're getting a damn good case that you know from a company that is known for their cases. So comment down below, hit that like button, and please do subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.